Hello students, welcome to Shukuya Let's Upskill powered by O2 Breathing Brains. This video is to introduce to you all the TCS mentorship program for the students of 2020-21 batch who will be appearing for the TCS hiring process on 23rd, 24th and 25th of October. I hope you have watched all the earlier videos related to the TCS hiring process. And now moving on to the mentorship program. The first and foremost thing that this mentorship program will be continuously engaging you up to the test date. We are starting this mentorship program from 2nd of October onwards, which we will be engaging you for a duration of 2 to 3 hours every day. This engagement will be after your college hours or your academic hours, 5 p.m. onwards. The most important thing about this mentorship program is that it is absolutely free of cost. I repeat, the entire TCS mentorship program 2020-21 batch is entirely free of cost. Let us quickly go through the takeaways of this mentorship program. The first is, as I have said, we will be engaging you in the live lectures for 2 to 3 hours daily, taking the total to around 50 to 60 hours of live lectures. During these live lectures, we will be covering around 500 questions along with their explanation from the sections of numerical ability, reasoning, and verbal ability. These questions will be frequently asked questions and will be very helpful for you in your TCS preparation. We will also be covering important programming MCQ questions, around 100 questions along with the solution and explanation. We'll also be giving you coding concepts. We'll be explaining you a few coding concepts and also explaining 15 coding statements during these live lectures. And more importantly, we will be focusing on developing your logic so that you will be able to solve the program in the TCS test. We have bifurcated the entire coding in 7 to 8 sections, and we will be delivering you or explaining you on the basis of those sections in the live lectures. And the most important is we will be giving you 3 mock tests as per the new pattern, because the pattern of TCS has again been revised. And these 3 mock tests will be available along with the explanation of each and every question. So all in all, we will be covering all the 5 sections of TCS NQT and the subject NQT. As you all know, the test is for 180 minutes in total. So all in all, we will be preparing you for all the sections required for TCS 2021. 2 most important revolutionary changes that we have made to help you code at your own convenience. We have developed a mobile based IDE for the coding section. For the coding section or for the mock test that will be appearing for, we have developed a mobile based IDE on which you will be compiling or executing your program, and all the prerequisite coding concepts will be explained during the live lectures. All the lectures will be conducted on the Shukuya app. The registration process for this program is as mentioned on the screen. You have to download and install the app. And if you're an existing user of Shikuya, you can directly sign in. And if you're a new user, you have to quickly fill up a very brief form and then you can sign up. Upon signing in or signing up, you'll be seeing a list of courses on the screen from which you have to subscribe to TCS Campus Hiring 2020-21, and then you can explore the app and start learning. To view the live sessions or to attend the live sessions, you have to click on the video button on the top right corner of the main screen of the course. Please note that the registration will start on 2nd of October at 10 a.m. and the first session of this mentorship program will happen at 5 p.m. on 2nd of October. Even if you miss out few live sessions due to any reason, you need not worry, because all the live sessions that are conducted will be available on your app itself up to 25th of October. That is up to the last date of TCS exam. All the sessions, all the mock tests that we will be conducting on the app will be available with you all up to 25th of October. For regular and frequent updates, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. The link of the channel will be posted in the description. I again repeat, the entire TCS mentorship program 2020-21 is free of cost. Please join the Telegram channel for regular updates. Do subscribe our YouTube channel, like and share.